How to lock your WhatsApp profile picture? For that, open WhatsApp application. Before that, make sure you have updated WhatsApp application to enjoy the latest features of WhatsApp. Make sure to sign in on your WhatsApp account, then tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings on this drop down menu box. Then as you can see our profile picture. So in order to lock your WhatsApp profile picture, just tap on privacy option here. So on this page, we don't see any lock profile picture option. Just you can do is tap on profile photo option and set to nobody. Now no one will be able to see your profile photo. This means we have locked our WhatsApp profile picture successfully. So following this step, you can easily lock your WhatsApp profile picture. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell for more updates. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.